Now I'm going to create other columns for month and quarter. So I'll just copy what I have here. So click inside this formula bar, press Ctrl A on my keyboard to highlight, Ctrl C to copy. Then I'll select new column. So the new column is ready for us. I'll just press Ctrl V to paste what I copied, and I only have to change this from year to month. So this is month, and I'll make this triple M. Triple M is going to give me the short form of months. Then I'll click on new column again. I still have my copy active, so I can just Ctrl V again and change this one to quarter. Then I want to make this Q. So Q should give me, capital Q should give me 1, 2, 3, and 4. But if I want this 1, 2, 3, and 4 to have a prefix of Q, so that's like Q1, Q2, Q3, then instead of just using Q, I would rather use a backslash like this, and I'll put a Q before the Q. Okay, so backslash QQ gives me Q1. So this last Q is what gives me 1, 2, 3, and 4. This first Q after the backslash is going to add a prefix of Q before that one. So now I have Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4. Basically, everything immediately after the backslash is going to be a prefix. So if I come here and I change this to QTR and I put a space, so everything after the backslash is now QTR, then this is now going to be the prefix. And you can see this, but let's just return back to Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4. And one more thing I also need to create here is to create a month number, and we'll see what makes that useful. So I'm going to create a new column, and I'll call this month number. And month number is going to be equals to, I need a function now that can go to each row and find out which month number does this date belong to. Does this date belong to January, which is month 1, or does it belong to February, which is month 2? And that function is equals to month. So month has a single argument for date, and my date is coming from my calendar table. So this is my date, and when I hit enter, I should have a column that has 1, 2 up until 12. Okay, so now I have 1 to 12. And why is this column important? If I come to my report view and I try to create any report by month, so let me just click on month now. You see that the month is going to be sorted in alphabetical order from April, and the last month is going to be September. Okay, we don't want that. Our reporting will typically have month reporting from January to December. So what we'll do is we'll go back to the data view, select the month column on the calendar table, and under column tools at the top, we'll have a button for sort by column, and we want to ask this month column, we need it to sort not by itself, we need it to sort by the month number. If it's sorting by itself, then it's going to be in alphabetical order. So let it sort by month number, so that 1, which is January, comes first, and 6, which is June, comes in the middle. 12, which is December, comes last. So sort by month number. I click month number. So if I go back to the report view, I should have it properly sorted. So now we have something that looks like a working calendar table, and what we now have to do is to go to our model view and connect that calendar table with our report. So let's connect this calendar table to our main data, which is the fact table here. So to do that, I'm going to click on the orders dates here, drag the order dates, and make sure I drop it on the order dates that I have, on the day that I have within the calendar table. Okay, so now we are done with our calendar table. In the bonus lectures, I'll be showing you 2 other ways that you can use to create calendar tables with DAX.